Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get the Ivan Cordoba or Diego Forlan. You can get this hero and icon player gift on EA Sport FC Mobile after Colombia and Uruguay match yesterday. So the winner is turned to be out a Colombia. So let's get start. Before we start, I made this video for beginner that is still confused about this game, because previously this game is FIFA Mobile, but right now it's become EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So there are some new events, some feature, and some new gameplay. So let's get started by tapping the club. If you are logged in yesterday, you can get this player. Let's filter with position. And I've got this Ivan Cordoba. So did you get this player? This player type is the icon player. This player is one of the best footballer of all time, best icon version. And his position is center back. He is a legendary from Inter Milan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, as well click the button below. Enjoy the game.